So I know you think your everyday carry wallet's not that important, right? But let me tell you the all-important scenario where you better have the right everyday carry wallet. You're at the shooting range, you're repping your rifle brand on your operator cap, your tactical operator cap, and your pistol friends come in and you're like, what's up, pistol dudes? And then you remember, you're repping the rifle brand on your tactical operator cap and your pistol friends just came in. What are they going to think? They're probably going to reject you. They'll probably never shoot with you again. They'll probably make fun of you on social media. So what do? The EDC wallet has a solution. You ditch the rifle brand off your hat. You get your EDC wallet quick and sly-like. Take the hat off your cap like, yeah, I'm just scratching my hat, pistol dudes. Hold on 1 second. And there you go. Ha ha ha. You're repping the pistol brand now. So you're like, what's up, pistol dudes? And then through the south door of the range, here come the rifle dudes, right? Your rifle friends. Great. Now you got your pistol friends and your rifle friend. You already ditched the rifle morale patch and you got the pistol patch on. So now what do? Your rifle friends are going to reject you for repping the pistol patch. Got a solution for you, the EDC wallet. Ditch the pistol patch. Got the solution. Pretend like you're scratching your head. Oh yeah, man, let me get that sweat off my brow. I've been shooting rifles and pistols, right? And now you're repping America, right? So you're like, what's up, pistol dudes? What's up, rifle dudes? Yeah. And if anybody comes in the door who's not for America, they're not your friends anyway. Get rid of them. If you can identify with that introduction, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more great content like this. In this video, I'd just like to go over our new EDC wallet. It's new to our EDC gear line, and it is a Slimline morale patch wallet that I'd like to give you a close-up look at. So here we go. Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you our newest product in our EDC line of gear. It is the Everyday Carry wallet, and it is a Slimline wallet, a minimalist wallet, but it's also a morale patch wallet, so you can change depending on what you like or the look you want to go for. You can go with plain, or you can take your favorite patch, your morale patch. 2x3 is what fits it, and you can add that or change it out whenever you want to. So it gives you a change up from just the regular old big style wallet, and it reduces the footprint of it. Makes it minimal, but it still keeps it soft, not like the hard aluminum wallets or the Kydex wallets out there. And so it still feels good in your back pocket. And it gives you room not only for all your cards, it gives you room for cash too, so you don't have to fold up cash like in the minimalist wallets out there. I hate folding up cash like that, and then you have to unfold it when you go somewhere. So this is the newest product in our EDC line. I'm going to show you how that works. If you haven't seen our EDC stand, you can check that out. I'll link it in this video as well. And if you haven't seen our Max IWB, super comfortable everyday carry concealed carry holster, check that out too. I'll put that link in the description. But as I said, you can take the patches off, the morale patches. You can swap them up, change them to whatever you want to. Cash fits in the cash portion of the wallet and hides completely, so it's out of the way, but it's still there, nice and neat. And then all your cards you can fit. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards here. You can definitely fit more than 6. I'm hiding my numbers so nobody sees those, because I know somebody out there crooked will steal them. All right, and it'll take all your cards on this side too. Let's see. You can see my concealed carry permit. And then I've got my other cards, my Shooters Club card and my Social Security card too, and that'll fit all in there. It tucks in the back. And that's heavy duty Milspec elastic. There's 2 layers of it. Heavy duty Milspec elastic. It's Milspec binding, and it's 1000 denier Cordura as well. And that's the website, and as you can see, it's all made in the USA, and it folds up nice and neat and slimline. And you can fit it in your pocket, and then when you want to put your favorite brand on there or your favorite America patch, whatever you want to do, it's all there. So that is the EDC Slimline wallet by Tactipac. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. God bless you and yours.